All right, you guys. So, just a little lunch for my dogs. Sometimes I give them a little treat. Today, I'm gonna feed the blue-nosed pit bulls just steak. And this will be a little surprise. They won't be expecting it, but you know, I take care of my dogs. As you guys see, they in here chilling right here in this little house. And they probably pretty much know I'm in here to do something. What's up, baby? CC. What's up, y'all? Now, back up, back up. Ah, get back. I'm gonna drop this steak in there, and I'm gonna let you guys see him go to work. Just there they go. As y'all see them go to work on their steak. I'm trying to get a good angle so y'all can see. They're gonna destroy that steak, man. And that's how I do it right there. Straight up. Feed them that good steak. Let them get their mind right. And we straight. You dig? You guys probably asked why I got both of them in this cage right here. Normally I separate them. I put one in this, one in the other, but sometimes I let them just be together so they could just play sometimes in there. Man, I appreciate everybody who be supporting this channel as well. Man, all you guys who be supporting us, what we do, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got a lot of dogs and stuff, man. I appreciate all y'all, man. Real talk. This is what I love to do. Take care of animals. Hey, y'all cut it out. And that's just how they do. You know? That also helps them work on their jawbone muscles, teeth muscles, all that stuff. So, as y'all see, they're going to work. As y'all see, they putting in good work. Man, why is y'all fighting over that steak, man? I'll be back. So they love to just go crazy over that steak, man. As y'all see, they both just acting crazy over that steak, man. It's crazy how dogs love each other, and then when you give them some food, they just lose their mind. Look at them. It's two blue-nosed pit bulls. 2.5 months. You know, they're trying to just take the whole steak. Hey, CC.